Right now, inside your body, 10,000 DNA strands are breaking in every single cell, every single day. Proteins fold incorrectly. Toxic fragments leak into surrounding tissue. In a young body, this massive accumulation of daily damage gets cleared. Repair systems fix the breaks faster than they happen because energy flows freely through the cells. Aging occurs when your cellular power plants, the mitochondria, produce less energy. They cut off the supply of ATP, the primary molecule your body uses to store and transfer energy. Without it, DNA repair and protein refolding lack the power to finish their work. Your repair systems still know what to do, they just can't get enough fuel to do it. They enter triage mode, prioritizing immediate survival while letting the rest of the damage pile up. This creates a cellular energy crisis. It is a fuel shortage that allows daily damage to overwhelm the system. The debris accumulates. Damaged proteins and broken mitochondria spill their contents into the tissue, triggering an inflammatory cascade. Standard medicine reacts to this fallout by treating the symptoms. If cholesterol rises, we give you a statin. If blood pressure climbs, we give you a beta blocker. Inflammation is your body's attempt to clear that debris. Blocking the inflammatory response without addressing the underlying damage effectively masks the warning sign, while the cellular machinery continues to degrade. Modern interventions often fail to prevent aging because they focus on the superficial smoke rather than refueling the cellular fire department. The Baltimore Longitudinal Study directly measures mitochondrial efficiency using magnetic resonance spectroscopy. They track how fast your cells can generate energy under stress. Researchers measure the recovery rate of phosphocreatine, a molecule that buffers cellular energy, immediately after exercise. This provides a direct readout of mitochondrial health. This recovery metric predicts future mobility loss and cognitive decline more accurately than most standard biomarkers. Standard blood panels, checking glucose and liver enzymes, usually catch problems years after the damage is done. They miss borderline conditions where the body's compensation mechanisms still mask the underlying decline. Measuring your mitochondrial output offers a measurable preview of your physical and cognitive trajectory. Cells eventually reach a threshold where existing mitochondria become too corrupted to assemble new copies. At this point, even exercise interventions fail because the machinery lacks the integrity to replicate correctly. To solve this, scientists are developing artificial mitochondrial transplantation. Injecting clean seed stock into damaged cells can restart the cycle of biogenesis, the process cells use to create new mitochondria. We can now spot this decline early using DNA methylation clocks. These tests identify predictable molecular damage patterns to determine your biological age compared to your chronological age. Advanced proteomics look for GDF15, a protein that rises with age and correlates with chronic disease. This marker flags risks years before they appear on basic chemistry panels. Aging is a predictable molecular trajectory. It can be intercepted if you track the right early warning signals. Maintaining mitochondrial function through specific behaviors provides an average of 9 extra years of disease-free life. 30 minutes of daily movement, including high-intensity intervals and Zone 2 cardio, where you can barely hold a conversation, signals the body to maintain its energy production capacity. Exactly 7 hours of sleep allows cellular repair processes to run their full cycle without interruption. Whole foods provide the antioxidants needed to neutralize reactive oxygen species before they cause cellular damage. Avoiding smoking removes a major source of oxidative stress, which otherwise forces the immune system into chronic inflammation to clean up the damage. Strong social connections buffer against stress responses, reducing the cumulative damage caused by chronic cortisol activation. These behaviors are mechanical inputs. They protect and rebuild the cellular engines powering your repair systems. A single biomarker measurement captures a snapshot of your health. Tracking serial measurements reveals your actual trajectory, the rate at which you are accumulating damage. Modern longevity medicine focuses on compressing morbidity, aiming to keep the final decades of life entirely free of chronic disease. Your innate repair systems will keep you functional and young, provided you take the steps to keep their energy supply flowing.